Saturday, October 1st, 2022. Shabbat Shalom, Sabbath peace. Salam alaikum, buenos dias. An example of how saving scraps of paper, or at least certain scraps of paper. This is from like a sketchbook, and I particularly like this paper, so I saved some scraps. So I was able to, from this one scrap, I was able to so far cut out this piece here, like cut it out with scissors to fit the shape. This one here, you never know when you're going to need allegorical sea monsters. And so I've got 3 so far, these 2. I'm going to use this piece on the corner down here for another small sea monster. The whole drawing is changed shape now because it had a big bottom section, and I ended up fitting it inside a mat I had and a frame. I have a frame that will fit this mat, so I'm going to be drawing allegorical sea monsters all around on the left side here, and to be determined, I'm going to actually be doing drawing on the mat, which I've done in several artworks over the years, both human rights and other types of works, drawings of ships and boats and whatever. All right, to be continued. How are we doing over there, budgies? You want to say hi to the little convention. Say hi to my Facebook friends and anyone viewing this on YouTube. Come on. There you go. How are we doing over here? All right? Good. All right. There you have it. From the belly of the beasts. Oh, they're teasing, guys. Gals. Boys.